Hello friends, welcome to my vlog. Today is our first mini vlog of 365 days challenge. हम आपको 365 days new outfit दिखाएंगे, how to carry these outfits. So without wasting any more time, हम आपको दिखाने वाले हैं हमारा first outfit. This outfit is from India. The Shraddha Kapoor is the brand ambassador of this brand. I love the color and the print of this dress. एंड आप नीचे देख सकते हैं शरारे का कितना प्यारा प्रिंट दे रखा है इन्होंने. सो फ्री एंड सो इजी एंड सो कंफर्टेबल टू वेयर इन द समर्स. एंड इसके साथ हमने जो लुक आज करके बहुत मिनिमल लुक किया है. नो चमचम टाइप, नो ओवर, जस्ट अ सिंपल लुक विद अ न्यूड लिपस्टिक एंड अ न्यूड चीक्स. एंड ये हमने कैरी किया है. जस्ट हमने इसके साथ मल्टी कलर इयररिंग्स पहने हैं जो हमारे इस ड्रेस के लुक को और एनहांस करता है, बिकॉज बहुत सटल एंड बहुत ब्यूटीफुल लुक है. सो हमें इसको थोड़ा शाइन करने के लिए, तो मल्टी करने के लिए हमने इसको लुक किया है विद मल्टी इयररिंग्स. एंड दीज इयररिंग्स आर ऑल्सो फ्रॉम इंडिया. ओके, यू कैन लुक. एंड हमने इसको एनहांस करने के लिए हमने एप्पल की आई वॉच के साथ पहना है. सो आप भी इसको किसी भी वॉच के साथ वियर कर सकते हैं. इट्स सो क्लासी एंड एनहांसी लुक. आज आगे देखते हैं. हमने इसको वियर किया है हमारी फिजी ग्लोबलेट के फुटवेयर के साथ. आई पर्सनली अ वेरी बिग फैन ऑफ फिजी ग्लोबलेट फुटवेयर. सो कंफर्टेबल एंड सो इन. आपने देखा होगा आलिया भट्ट ने भी बहुत आउटफिट्स के साथ फिजी ग्लोबलेट का डाला है. अगर आपके बारे में इस पर फर्दर इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए तो यू कैन मेंशन द कमेंट. एंड इसको मैंने एक सिंपल कार्टेड डिजाइन के बैंगल के साथ इन किया है. इफ यू वांट एंड मोर इन इट, आप इसको जैसे समर से आप बाहर जा रहे हैं, सो यू कैन ऑल्सो वियर विद द सनग्लासेस ऑफ ब्लैक कलर ओनली, नो एनी अदर कलर. इट विल डल द लुक ऑफ इट. एंड मैंने इसको एक एंड के बैग के साथ लिया है. दिस बैग इज फ्रॉम एंड, अनदर डोगरी ब्रांड. इट्स सो हैंडी एंड कंफर्टेबल एट द सेम टाइम. आप देख सकते हैं ये लुक को कितना सुपर गॉर्जियस एंड सुपर इजी लुक है. ये आप कैरी कर सकते हैं. आप देखिए, सो इजी. हमने इस इंडो वेस्टर्न ड्रेस पहनी है राइट नाउ. एंड थोड़ा सा हमने इसको इंडियन लुक देने के लिए हमने इसको कैरी किया है इस फुटवेयर के साथ. ही जूती है विद हील्स इन इट. ओके, फ्लैट जूती. आई पर्सनली डू नॉट लाइक द फ्लैट जूतीज. सो ये लुक बहुत ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल एंड बहुत अच्छा है. आप इसको ज़रूर ट्राई कीजिए. एंड फॉर फर्दर वीडियोज़ यू कैन सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल एंड हिट द बेल आइकन फॉर माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो चैलेंज ऑफ 365 days. So can't wait for my second video. So please stay tuned for further updates. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome back to my second vlog of 365 days challenge. And this is my second outfit, and this outfit is from Bombay Pastel, which is a West Side brand, a Tata product. आपको पता है West Side Tata का brand है. And my heels are from also wear this dress with shoes or sneakers whatever. And ये ड्रेस आप इसको एज अ ड्रेस भी पहन सकते हैं, एज अ कुर्ती भी पहन सकते हैं, और एज आप इसको अगर आप चाहें वेस्टर्न में पहनने के लिए तो आप इसको विदाउट लेगिंग और विदाउट जीन्स भी कैरी कर सकते हैं। लाइक आप देख सकते हैं मैंने इसे विदाउट जीन्स और लेगिंग कैरी किया। आई एम लविंग द स्लिट। ओके गाइस, आप जैसे ही ड्रेस कैरी कर सकते हैं, लाइक आप इसके इनर पहन के जीन्स पहन के इसको एज अ शर्ट भी कैरी कर सकते हैं। आप यहाँ पे एक बेल्ट लगा के इस ड्रेस को और ब्यूटीफुली तरीके से कैरी कर सकते हैं। बट आज मैंने एक कॉलेज लुक दिया है कि बहुत सिंपल एंड कैजुअल, मैं बहुत ज्यादा ना लुक को हैवी क्रिएट करने में या बहुत सारी चीजें एक साथ मैं उसमें बिलीव नहीं करती। कैरी अ सिंपल लुक एंड बी कॉन्फिडेंट इन एवरी लुक। ओके, लाइक यू सी, and I am going to carry this clutch from Code। आप देख सकते हैं कितना स्लीक है, इसमें शिमर है। सो ये आपकी किसी भी डार्क लाइट वेडिंग नॉन वेडिंग ड्रेस के साथ अच्छे से कैरी होगा। You can look, this dress is looking amazing and I've done nothing, so please be simple and be stick and be confident whatever you wear। So bye guys, and आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज कमेंट में जरूर बताइएगा। And for the next video, don't forget to subscribe and like my video for the further update. And stay tuned for the third look, guys. Bye. Hello friends, welcome to my third vlog to 365 days challenge. Here's my look for today. I'm going for dinner, and this is my look. I'm wearing a top which is from Westside. I'm wearing jeggings from Annabelle, and my heels are from Footin. As you can look, my heels are super good. You can see. I love pencil heels personally. According to me, they grace your personality. They grace your inner growth as well. And आपने मेरे 3 में 2 वीडियोस हैं, आपने उसमें देखा मैं बहुत सिंपल लुक्स कैरी कर रही हूँ। नो मेकअप, नथिंग एक्स्ट्रा, मतलब इट जस्ट टेक 2 minutes टू गेट रेडी। यस गर्ल्स, 2 मिनट में तैयार हो सकती हैं। एग्जैक्टली। एंड माई दीज इयररिंग्स विच आर इन स्क्वायर शेप, दीज आर फ्रॉम H&M। एंड मैंने अपने बाल जस्ट कॉम किया एंड जस्ट फ्री लाइक अ बर्ड। I personally do not feel कि हमें अपने हेयर स्टाइल्स बनाने चाहिए एज ये हमारे बालों को पर्सनली वीक करते हैं। I don't prefer much sometimes but not on daily basis। and मेरी ब्लॉग्स हैं ये डेली बेसिस के लुक्स हैं, not it will take you hours to get ready। just make it simple and casual। my top is from wine color, my jegging is black and I am also wearing black heels with it। if you want to wear wine jegging, you can also wear it with a white jegging as it will become a coat set, as coat set are much in right now। and and this perfume is from Zara। this is super cute and its fragrance is also super cute। according to me, if you smell good you feel good। अगर आप इसे स्मेल अच्छी आ रही है, आप अपने आप में कॉन्फिडेंट एक अच्छा फील करेंगे। सो परफ्यूम इज मस्ट फॉर मी। एंड नाउ एज बैग्स आर टू इन, आई एम ऑल्सो कैरिंग अ मिनी हैंड बैग विथ मी। एज आप देख सकते हैं मेरे मतलब किसी आउटफिट से मैच नहीं हो रहा है, as ये मेरे आउटफिट को कॉम्प्लीमेंट दे रहा है। as it's a very good in color and my bag is also from Westside। the string is super soft and super classy bag and super handy। and you are ready for dinner date। एंड आपको मैं लास्ट में फोटोज दिखाऊंगी कि ये लुक लास्ट में कैसा लगता है इन कैफेज में, कितना प्यारा लगता है. It's not mandatory always to get ready. It take 2 to 3 hours to get ready. It just take 2 minutes to get ready also. Look at me. Just enhance your inner beauty. Don't use this makeup product on daily basis. Just feel good from inner. You feel good from outside also. Doesn't matter to others, matter to yourself only. Have a good day. And लास्ट में अगर आपको लुक अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ कमेंट में बताइएगा. एंड मेरे डिनर लुक की फ़ोटोज़ भी ज़रूर देखिएगा. एंड प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल एंड like the video if you like the video. And wait for my 4th look in my next video. And so stay tuned for that. Bye bye. Chantana. Hello guys, welcome to my 4th vlog and 365 days challenge. This is my 4th look and I'm showing you my summer collection right now. This is my summer look when I'm going out in such a heat and in daytime. Okay, this is my look. I personally love to open my hair. If you don't, you can also tie your hair, make a little bun upward or whatever you can do to your hair. Okay? And right now I'm wearing the top which is from Only. I'm wearing a jegging which is from H&M. I'm wearing shoes which are from Tommy. These shoes are super comfortable. You can also as a sneakers. These are sneakers, super comfy. So you can travel as much as you can in such a heat also. And this is my look. I am super comfortable in this look. I am wearing a crop top. And the fabric is literally too good. You feel super comfortable in this. You can do whatever you want to do. Okay? And especially every summer outfit is incomplete without the sunglasses. I am wearing the sunglasses which are from H&M and they are superly gorgeous and comfortable. As ये मेरे outfit के साथ पूरे जा रहे हैं, they are super matching with my outfit as well. Look. I hope आपको मेरी videos पसंद आ रही हैं and please if you want anything regarding anything you can mention in the comment section. Just make your look super light. I personally do not like to do anything in summer. Just make your outfit super quick and get super ready with Savi gel. Okay, I really love these shoes. They are super comfortable. These are my sneakers. And one of my friends gifted me these sneakers. They are super good. They are totally, matlab the color of the sneakers is so good as they always get with my outfit. As the white color is so in the shoes or the sneakers or loafer, whatever. But I'm really in love with it. And I hope you are liking my outfit. I am really in love with the crop tops because they are super easy and comfortable to wear. Bye guys. If you like the video, please like the video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for further videos and be ready for my next video and for my 365 days challenge. Bye guys, have a good day and please wear your mask. Okay, don't go out without your mask as new updates have come. So it's mandatory for all to wear mask in Delhi now more. Okay, so don't forget to wear mask as mask is a new in and now mask is a new fashion also. मैं next video में आपको mask के साथ दिखाऊंगी. Okay, because mask is mandatory for all from right now. So okay, don't forget to wear mask as अपनी safety खुद ही कर सकता है. You cannot complain to others regarding this. Okay, it's a disease, so we all have to fight and we all have to wear mask. Okay, thank you. Bye. Safe day. Hello friends, welcome to my 5th vlog of 365 days challenge. And today is my 5th look and this is my Indian look. Now you can see I am wearing a kurti of green color and as I have paired this with red chudidar legging. I personally don't like the ankle length leggings. I personally like to wear the chudidar leggings as the legging is from Biba. And I am wearing the kurti. This is from Odni. As you can also pair this kurti with black or green legging as you wish. But to give a contrast with it, I have paired it with a red legging. Okay, and I am wearing the footwear that is from Mary Jane. And my footwear is from Platform Heel of Platform Heel. As you can see, as platform heels are super comfortable and easy to wear and give a classy look to your attire. As I am also wearing earrings. That earrings are from West Side. As you can see, they are too good. As ये मेरे outfit को compliment कर रहे हैं, make it more ethnic and good. And they are super light and super comfortable. You can see. And I am wearing a lipstick that is from Nykaa, as you can see, and the code is 01 Bombay. So too good and it's best for your summers as इतना highlight look नहीं देती and is very subtle, as you can also use it to your blush. As You can see. And I'm also getting a bindi to make this outfit more gorgeous and more beautiful. And as you can see, I have a round face, so bindi complements me. And in this summer, the perfume is must, as if you smells good, you feel good. It's too good. My personal favorite. This is from Zara. And you can see, it's too cute. I have just let my hair open, as I have done the wavy curls to my hair, as it give bounce to my hair and volume. You can see कितना bouncy look आता है. Personally don't like to straighten my hairs. I want to give my hair a bouncy and a volume, so I personally like to do some wavy curls. As you can see, wavy curls बहुत heavy look दे देते हैं बालों को. as अगर आप चाहते हैं आपके बाल बहुत heavy लगे, so please go for wavy curls, not particular curly hair, just wavy, and just let your hair open and express it. As I am going to complement my look with this bag, and this bag is from Westside. This is from Love. As you can see, कितना प्यारा लग रहा है ये बैग मेरे आउटफिट के साथ में, कितना मतलब अच्छा लुक दे रहा है. As you can see, as you can going out or whatever you are going, just go for it with this mini bag. As in this summer you have to carry a lot of things, so go with the bag look also. And if you are going out, so don't forget to take your sunglasses with you, okay? And I'm really feeling pretty today, as I love Indian outfits to wear. As in summer you can also wear it super light, super gorgeous and super comfortable to wear. Just wear a kurti. In my opinion, if you're not getting what to wear, what not to wear, as you are not able to distinguish between them, just wear a kurti and go for the look. As you can look, super comfortable bag, super comfortable look it is. As आप मेरे को कमेंट में ज़रूर बताइएगा कि आप नेक्स्ट वीडियो इंडियन पे चाहते हैं या वेस्टर्न पे चाहते हैं. विल गो फॉर इट. एंड फॉर माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू show you the next haul, as I went for the shopping, so I will show you ki what I bought and what's the new collection in the market for the spring, okay, for the summers. And please अब बताइएगा कमेंट में आपको ये लुक कैसा लगा. टेंशन है. Bye guys for that, and till then bye and safe, and don't forget to wear mask if you're going out. Mask is new in, okay, mask is in trend also, you can wear it, okay. Bye guys till then, and don't forget to like the video if you like the video, and subscribe my channel if you are new to my channel. Thank you. Bye guys. Hello friends, welcome to my new vlog, and today is the 6th day of my 365 days challenge, and today I am wearing a strip shirt of red and white. It's super cool and super comfortable, and it's from Levi's. And I'm wearing a black jegging which is from NBLA, and I'm wearing my cute sneakers which are from Forever, and they're super cute and they're super going with my outfit, and they are making my outfit super cool and super comfortable. As you can see, they are too good. As you can see, there's a bow tied on my loafers, that they making my outfit super cool and super comfy and super cute at the same time. As this is my look is perfect for when you're going out for shopping and the such heat. Just carry your bag and go out and do shopping. Today, have you seen I'm using my hand more often, because today I have just done my nails. I have just pampered myself just a more little, am really with love with the fluorescent color. This is super cute. As I really love hair extensions. I really love them. Today I got just my new one and I'm feeling too good right now. You can see my face is glowing because I'm too happy today because I have done a lot of shopping and my nails are done. I had pampered myself very well, and in my today outfit I found my sneakers to be the most catchy thing because there is a bow and these are from Forever and they are super cute and ये मेरे outfit के साथ पूरे जा रहे हैं and so I really love them. As the summers are so in, so you have to take care of yourself and be hydrated at the same time, and don't forget to wear mask because mask is new in and it's mandatory to wear by all. Okay, and this today outfit, have you seen? I'm just making it more comfortable. I'm not wearing any wristwatch or anything because we are going out for shopping, and the best thing is we have to make ourselves comfortable, then we can buy something. Okay, don't put anything that you can forget at some place and you will regret it later. Okay guys, I hope you like it. If you want to tuck your shirt in like I have done it, so you can do it, and if you want to just lose your shirt, you can also do it. As according to me, shirt is the best outfit, so comfortable and in right now in the summers. And so don't forget to take care of yourself and take your mask in. And till then, bye, and don't forget to like my video if you like the video, and if you are new to my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Till then, bye, stay safe and tune for my next video for my 8th look. And don't forget to ask me anything if you want to ask. And for next video, what do you want? An Indian outfit or some Western, or what kind of look do you want? Today I have bought lots of Indian outfit for myself. I am going to show you each and every outfit. Okay, so be comfortable and be confident what you are wearing. So don't do anything high, just be confident what you are doing and what you are wearing. Hello guys, welcome to my new mini vlog, and this is my 7th outfit. As you can see, I am wearing something Western that is called Indo-Western, and this dress is basically from India. As you can see, this is in the form of anarkali and a long skirt, whatever you can say, a long gown. And the best part is this is a dupatta which is given. This Indo-Western look is also given a sari look to my dress. The best part is the dupatta again, and iske paas the border, it's very good because इसमें लटकन लगी हुई है, and basically मुझे लटकन बहुत पसंद है. As you can see, super comfortable outfit again, as it is best for summers. As you're going out, wherever you are going, it's the best outfit to wear and feel free also at the same time. As you can see, I done my nail arts, and the color is super cool and super summer in. I just wear a Cartier bangle with it to just look it more Indian, and I have just put a little bindi to make my Indian Western outfit a more Indian look. And I am wearing a footwear which is from Bata, as Bata brings comfort in your life. As the footwear of Bata are simply more comfortable as compared to any other brands. I personally feel that they are super comfortable. As you can go anywhere with this super gorgeous dress which is from India. I have just done a wavy curls to my hair to make my outfit little more heavier and feel more good, and just let my hair open and free. And as I have put my lipstick, which is from Colaba. If you want, I can also share the number of it. I personally love this color. It's a summer color in my opinion, as it's super comfortable, super light. The fabric is super good, super fine, and the print is super good, super good. As you can see, the contrast of the color, as the full suit is of cream color and they did the contrast of blue dupatta with the yellow latkan in it. As you can see, ये वाला पोज तो बनता है. It's super good. बेसिकली मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आपको दूसरा इंडिया का आउटफिट दिखाऊंगी, एज बहुत समरिश आउटफिट है, एंड द स्लीव्स आर आल्सो गुड, एज इट सेव यू फ्रॉम गेटिंग टैन, एज heat is outside, so you have to be prepared for that also, and be careful regarding what you are wearing and don't get tan. Okay, always when you go out, apply sunscreen. I am applying Lakme sunscreen, which is a new in which has foundation in it. Okay, and as you can see the close up, it's very good. The flare, the anarkali style is too good. The length, the fitting is very good. Like I am wearing the medium size of it and it fits me very well. Okay, and the length of the outfit is too good that you can see it's not floor length and it's not showing anything regarding that. So perfect length of the suit also, as it is some Indian and Western, so we can call it Indo-Western dress. Perfect for your summers. Okay guys, thank you for watching the video, and if you like the video, so please hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further videos. So you can also tell me what video you want next, of Western or Indian, or you want some Indo-Western dresses more. Like if you are going out with your family or somewhere else that you have to look the perfect the way you do, you can. Okay, and be simple, and don't forget to wear your mask if you are getting out. Okay, because mask is new in, and be safe because pandemic is raising and we have to fight with it, because we all are, if we all are together, only then and we can fight with the pandemic. Okay, stay home, stay safe, and be simple and be beautiful. Okay guys, till then, bye, and nothing, just bye. Hello guys, welcome to my mini vlog, and today I am wearing my 8th look. Hope you like it, and I am wearing a dress that is from India. As you can look, I am looking too beautiful today because of this dress, and this is an Indo-Western dress, as this dress is giving me some Western and the Indian look at the same time. As you can look, it's super cute, and the contrast of the two color that is given is very good, and the blue that is also giving a look that of a shrug also. And look, and this dress is so amazing and comfortable and super light at the same time. As you can look, sleeves का कितना अच्छा डिजाइन दे रखा है, मतलब ये आपके ड्रेस को कितना और गॉर्जियस बना देती है. And this is such a surreal outfit. As if you're wearing this, you don't have to do anything as Bata footwears are extremely comfortable and extremely light in weight, and you can easily wear them in any occasion or any time. And this is the must pose. A circle in such a beautiful dress. As you can see, I'm wearing nothing today because it's already has everything in it and make me beautiful. As simplicity brings more confidence in you. Don't try to hide yourself. Just be free and do what you want to do. Don't hide yourself and don't fear to be the real you. As you can see, I'm just done a wavy curls to my hair to give a little bounce to my hairs and done nothing. And you are ready to go anywhere. As you're going out or wherever you are going or whatever you're going to want, you can go. मतलब मेरा 12 मन कर रहा है मैं गोल गोल घूमती रहूं. कितना प्यारा फील आ रहा है, कितना प्यारा सर्कल बना रहा है ये आउटफिट. द फैब्रिक इज टू गुड, super light, comfortable, and I am wearing the medium size of it, and this is from India. Basically India gives a very light and comfortable clothes, and the fabric is super comfortable. As you can see, the length is too good, and even you can also attend a birthday party or some type of jagrata and jargons in it and go out. If you are going somewhere home also, it's a perfect outfit because the contrast of both the fabric is very well given, and you can see this the blue, it's giving a shrug look to my outfit that I am wearing a shrug. You can give different poses in it also, as it's super good. And I'm wearing the lipstick right now, which is from the Calabar, and you can see I have done nothing to my face. I'm just the natural one that you are looking, and be natural and be confident on your own tone and your body. As we say ki no, we are not good, looking good in this outfit or that outfit. No. First, you have to accept your body type. First, you have to look good by your own. Then you can look good. Otherwise, if you are always criticize your body shaping your own, then how could you stop the another person to do that? So start loving yourself first. Because I don't know, वो एक पूरा डायलॉग है ना, मैं अपनी फेवरेट हूँ. Exactly. This dialogue should suit to every girl, woman, wherever, that you should be favorite of your own first. Okay? And I'm wearing a lipstick from the Calabar. It's a very light in tone as the very heat outside. So I prefer some light color lipstick. And if you're going out in the night, you can wear the dark ones also. And it's your own taste, whatever you want to go. And what color or what type do you want on your body. Okay? I'm just going to end my video here. And I can't stop looking myself. And if you like this outfit, so you can like the video. And if you're new to my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. And आप नेक्स्ट वीडियो इंडियन आउटफिट भी चाहते हैं, वेस्टर्न और इंडो वेस्टर्न, वट एवर यू वांट, यू कैन मेंशन द कमेंट. आई होप मैं रिप्लाई सबका करूं, बट आप जिस पे चाहते हैं आप बताइए. एंड वेट फॉर माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन, बाय बाय, स्टे सेफ, स्टे होम, एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू wear mask if you're going out, because mask is new in and is very mandatory to all of us, and to fight from this pandemic also. Okay? Till then, have a good day. Bye guys. Hello guys, welcome to my new vlog, mini vlog. the blue is in now, so I am wearing my baggy pants which are from Bare Denim, and I have just paired it with the belt of chain that is from H&M, and I am wearing a crop top with the off shoulder, you can see, and the top is from COS, and I am wearing my shoes which are complementing my look. These shoes are from Puma. As you can see, I have paired it with a red strap of my iWatch, and it's totally complementing my look. As you can see, I have just done my baby curls right now, and to give a little bounce and volume to my hair in this heat, because crop tops are too in right now, and in such a heat you can see outside. I'm having such funky and cool look to the summer as you're going out. If you're going out and if you want to carry a bag, you can also carry a bag with it. Otherwise, you have such big pockets. As you can see, you can just do. It's too cute the look is, guys. And I'm wearing a lipstick that is from West Side, and it's a bold color adds. I'm wearing such a subtle outfit today, and it's giving a complementary look to my outfit and giving a bold effect to it. And I'm wearing a kajal bangle to just enhance the look. I just love the pockets. Two big pockets, you can see. So funky and comfortable. The shoes are also at the same time. I'm wearing the shoes which are in white and black color, because I am wearing a jeans of light color, so white shoes are highlighting my look. And I am using the perfume which is from Fog, as perfumes are mandatory in this such a heat, as you will start stinking. Okay guys, I think मेरे को इस आउटफिट को एक बैग के साथ कैरी करके और enhance करना चाहिए. So let's check out my bag collection. Let's choose. Guys, I thought I should take a bag. This bag. As you can see, it's super soft, and the bag is from West Side, from Love Brand. As the chain is too good, guys, too funky. As आप इस chain को किसी भी outfit के साथ, किसी भी if you are wearing a one piece, you can wear it. If you are wearing baggy jeans or anything, you can use. Okay, this bag is super cute and super handy, and it's complementary and giving a special look to my attire today, as it's complete my outfit. As you can see, I'm looking too gorgeous and too hot today. As you can comment on my videos, and as which outfit do you want in my next video, Indian or Western or something, or what you like in my outfit. Okay, and if you're new to my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video if you like the video, and stay home, stay safe guys, and tata till my next video. Bye guys. Hello guys, welcome to my new mini vlog. Today my 10th day of my 365 days challenge, basically outfit challenge, and today I am wearing a very nice kurti. You can also say it's an Anarkali suit, and my suit is from Biba, I'm very big fan of ethnic wear of Biba. The quality of fabric provided by Biba is extremely good and extremely well. And basically you can see the prints and the color it has given. It's superb. Like you can see, I'm looking super cute in outfit, and I have paired my anarkali suit with sneakers, and my sneakers are from Tommy Hilfiger, as these shoes or sneakers are giving a super cool effect to my outfit today, as I am wearing something ethnic today. As you can see, my last video was on western, and today I am wearing something ethnic or tradition, as when you are going out, when you are going to a temple or anywhere else with your family or anywhere else, you can wear it and super cool. Look at the prints, guys, it's super nice, and the combination of color given by it super classy. As you can see, the look is so defining it, as you don't have to do anything in it, just wear it and be confident with it. And right now I am wearing a lip color which is from Maybelline New York, and it's in crayon. Super comfortable to wear in this summer and in this heat outside. As you can see, I'm very big. I literally personally like the colors of Maybelline, and basically the crayon collection of Maybelline is great. I have just, and if you want to carry a bag, you can carry it with a bag, as the colors are so multicolor. So I'm just going to pair my dress with this black sling bag, and the sling bag is from Mango. As you can see, you can pair the bag as a sling or a handy. In both the ways you can carry this bag. I personally like this chain, and this chain is super heavy, and it's giving a heavy look to the bag and a decent look to the outfit, as well as if you put the string into the bag and you want to carry the bag in the handy way, not the sling, you can also carry the bag like this. And this chain color is golden and super heavy, as you can feel. As the sound is coming to you. Basically the Mango collection is good in bags. I will show you my bags collection. If you want, you can mention in the comment if you want to see my bag collections. As you can see, the Almira is full of my bags, and I have personally more bags. If you want to see, you can comment me. As you can see, this outfit is so good, and I'm going out, so I'm wearing it, and just to make my outfit more comfortable, I'm wearing my sneakers from Tommy, and it's giving a cool effect to my outfit. As you can see, I'm ready to go, guys. Just let your hair open and act like a free bird. If you like the outfit, so please mention in the comment, and please give rating to this outfit out of 10. Okay, and if you want more videos of the ethnic outfit or western, you can mention in the comment. Until then, stay safe, stay home, and you're new to my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video if you like the video for my further clothes collection. I love it, guys. I love the outfit. I can't stop looking at myself. Okay, bye guys. Stay home, stay safe, and don't forget to wear a mask. You have to protect yourself first. Nobody will. Bye. Hello my YouTube family and my friends. have just paired it with a belt of chain, and my belt is from H&M, and I just let my hair open. And if you just want to tie and make a small one, you can make. You can do whatever you with your hair. It's just a hair day today. So I just let my hair open and just feel like whatever. As you can see, whatever is done on my teeth. And I have just paired it with my white sneakers. And my sneakers are from Puma. As the collection of Puma is super classy and comfortable and super comfy, as you can see. And my baggy jeans are super comfortable, and these jeans are 2 in right now, as you can wear it with any shirt, tee or whatever you want to wear, you can wear. As I am wearing my jeans to be more in fashion. As just be yourself, and I wear it with my red strap of my iWatch, because I'm too good to go out today and have fun. So if you're going out, so you can take my tips and just be simple and casual and be yourself, and don't feel shy or discomfort to be you, because be you and self-love is a priority of yourself. So don't forget about yourself. Wear what you want to wear and wear what you feel comfortable in it. So don't wear these. I personally don't like makeup or all these things. As you can see my videos, I have just shown you simple looks and comfortable, so you can and just glam. Okay guys, just be simple. In this world, we are all fake. Like people are fake, we are also doing makeup to look fake. Just be real to yourself, guys. Just be you. Okay guys, tips are over for today. So if you like my look, you can mention in the comment section, and if you're new to my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for my further tips, and like the video if you like the video, only then. So till then guys, bye, stay home, stay safe and stay cool and stay be you. Okay guys, till then, bye bye. Hello to my YouTube family, welcome to my new vlog and welcome to my 365 days challenge. Today I am wearing such a beautiful top with jeans, and I have just paired it with my cute sneakers. As you can see, this look is super cool and super quick to get with the look. As I have just done a super quick wavy curls to my hair to give a little bounce. As you can see, I'm just glowing, and you can look at my hair also. As I'm wearing the top which is from Zara. As you can see, and the sleeves are super cute. It's as you can see, the sleeves are so puffy sleeves it has. So cute looking. And I've just paired with the jeans which is from Levi's. And my cute sneakers which are from Skechers. As we all know that the Skechers shoes are super comfy and super comfortable at the same time. As you can see, they are giving my outfit a super cute look and super as they are super comfortable to wear, and will just give a instant look to my glow. Instant glow to my look. Okay guys, so you can see, as you can also complete your look with this bag. As this bag is from Mango, as you can carry this bag in two ways. As if you want to carry in this way, otherwise you can also carry this bag in a sling style, as sling style is too in. Everyone is having a sling bag with them. As you can carry this bag in this way also. And super cute bag. As you can see, it's made of leather and the leather is so soft. I am such a big fan of bags. I know you most have commented, please show your bags collection. Soon I will make a video to my bags, and I will show you my bag collection to all of you. And you can see this bag is super gorgeous in itself. You can see it's so handy, and the sling is super thin and it's also made of leather, and the leather is so soft. You can feel it, and you can feel the shine also it has. And you want to know my lip shade which I am wearing with my outfit. I am wearing a lip ink crayon which is from Maybelline, and in this you will get a sharpener which is behind the lip crayon. And I really love the lipstick. Who had I don't like the lipstick who don't have this, and you have to sharpen them. No, I am not really a big fan of the lipstick which we have to sharpen. As at last, if you're going out in such heat and such mess. So this perfume is must, as this perfume is super cute and super handy, as you can also put in your bag if you're going out and you don't want to smell so bad. So I am wearing this Zara perfume which is Pink Flame. It smells so good. As you can see, so nice it is, so nice, so well, super comfortable and super handy. I really hate those perfume who has such a harsh smell or who smells more and become and change the environment of the whole surrounding. Just change. I really love the smells which are really soft in nature, not very harsh or very hard also. I am going to put this perfume into my bag. As you can see, I am also having a clutcher because heat is outside. So don't forget to bring anything to tie up your hair. Okay? And in the last, you will get my look which I am wearing today and the photos of the look which I am wearing, and you will become a fan of the location which I have, because I am going to the child and the photos are from the child, so you are going to love them all. Let's see how to click those poses also if you are wearing this, because I am very big fan of the light shades. And I'm just wearing these jeans because it has white line, as it make my look more good. As you can see, the look is such surreal, as the white line is giving such a classy and delicate look to my outfit, as it is a pack to my look. As you want to carry this bag in different way, you can also carry this bag in this way. If you are going to the college, you can also look and carry your bag. And if you are not comfortable with this kind of, you can also use this bag in this way. You can put your mobile and all the stuff in your bag, and this bag size is not that small that you cannot put anything. this is the right size of the bag. In my opinion, if you don't want to carry such a huge bag or big bags, as I'm not a big fan of the very big bags, I really like to have such small bags, and just I want to put some things which are in need, not all the things which are unnecessary to me also. As I'm done with the look. If you like the look, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video if you like the video. And if you're new to my channel, so please subscribe to my channel. And if you want some more looks and some more addition to it, you can mention in the comment section also, because your views and your opinion matters to me. Okay guys, till then, bye, stay safe and stay home and stay happy, because happiness is nowhere, happiness is all inside you. Okay, so search for it. And in the last, I'm going to put my photos of this look, so please mention that you like the photos or not. Okay, till then, bye. Welcome to my new vlog, and today I am wearing a new Indian outfit. As you can see, ये set I really found it really cute and adorable. As you can see, this suit is in Anarkali style. I have just dressed up in Libas set. I ordered this set from Libas. As you can see, the fabric is so soft and smooth, and they have just paired this Anarkali suit of full length with a plazo, and I just paired it with my green heels that are from Zudio. And you can see I have just paired it with a red pearl, and so cute it is. As you can see, it's giving a new look to my outfit. As बहुत ना डल लुक लग रहा था मेरे को इसका, because it's a flora print dress, as you can see. So I just want to give some contrast to it, so I ordered it. And so just to make it more ethnic, I just made it a beautiful neck piece, as you can see. And today I'm going to show you which lip shade I'm wearing today. आज आपके बहुत कमेंट आते हैं कि कौन सा आप लिप शेड लगाते हो, बहुत अच्छा होता है, ये होता है. So I'm going to tell you. And the best part is this लटकन. मुझे लटकन पर्सनली बहुत पसंद है. I'm really very fond of them. As I have ordered this suit in M, but I found it little loose. So if you want to order it from Libas, you can order the small size in it. It's very pretty. As I have done nothing to any outfit right now, I will show you my lipstick shade. I am using the lipstick which is from Colorbar. As you can see, I am really very fond of lip shades of Colorbar, because they are super smooth, super comfortable to wear, and they are in matte collection. I don't like the shimmer collection. So, and the last one, stay proof it is. As you can see, I am using the 16 color of it, and it's super nude. It seems to be like that you are not wearing any lipstick, and it will not give any awkward or some kind of look to your look. So, and in this heat outside, as the temperature is getting decreased, so still there is so much heat. So don't forget to use your perfume and smell good to others, as the current is also outside your premises. So stay home, stay safe at the same time. एक look जो होता है, I mean to say, if you're getting ready, so the first thing you look to you that your confidence should be there. The confidence should outshine your look. The look don't outshine you. Okay, as you can feel, there's a difference between it. कि जो आप कपड़ा पहने, आप उसको confidence से पहने, because don't let the outfit outshine you. Because don't let Your identity stay behind your outfit. Your identity should stand out. And ये कहते हैं ना कि हिंदी में कि हर कपड़ा हर किसी के नहीं जचता. If this is looking good on me and if something is looking good on you, it doesn't mean to be that your outfit look good to me. Okay, outfit will not look good to you. The main thing is that only कि you have to make that outfit good to you. Okay, are you getting what I'm trying to say you कि ये जरूरी नहीं है हर कपड़ा आप पे जचे, आपको वो कपड़ा अपने पे खुद जचाना होता है. एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, आप मेरी पुरानी वीडियोस देखेंगे, आई प्रेफर टू वेयर ऑल द कलर्स, never stick to some colors like black, white, pink or some dark color, light color, pastels colors. You should try each and every color to you. Okay, and उस कलर को आप अपने खुद पे खुद जचाइए. आज मैंने सुना है बहुत लोग येलो कैरी नहीं करते कि नहीं यार not good look to me and all these things, but आप ट्राई कीजिए to look good in all the colors. एंड आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो या कुछ मेरी बातें अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक माय वीडियो. एंड इफ यू आर न्यू टू द चैनल एंड सच मोर seek or lessons if you want to take from me, you can also subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, you can also in the comment section. And if you don't like something, so you can also mention in the comment section. I will take care of all the things to you. Okay, till then, stay home, stay safe and stay happy and stay hydrated also, because hydration is also good for you and your health to glow. Till then, bye guys, stay home. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I am going to show you the 5 bags must have to every girl. Okay, we are going to start with the first bag. This is a white bag which is from Anita Dongre brand. As in this bag, it's very comfy. As you can see, a mini sling is also available and a long string, as you can also use this bag in a sling manner, and you can also carry back this bag in hand also. As I'm going to open this bag, guys, as you can see, there is a sling which is available, which is given by them. As if you attached these 2 strings, then you can use this bag in a string bag as a string bag also. But I really like the bag which I carry in my hand, not in sling. But nowadays sling bags are so in literally. As you can carry the bag and you can also adjust it according to you. It's really a nice bag. I bought this bag on my last birthday. And it's so spacious, and you can also get a chain. As you can see, some important things into the bag. As I bought this bag from and I also get a warranty card also. This bag is so new. You can see I found these 2. The gel which don't allow your bag to get odor, smell or get bad. I really love this bag, guys. Okay, and this bag is made of leather, and it's a patterned leather. As you can see, it's not a smooth or like pure leather, it's a textured leather. As you can see, there's a roughness in this bag which make it more good. Now we come to the second bag. I bought this bag from West Side. I really love this slinger, which is 1. As if you want to carry this bag on your shoulder, as I really don't like the bags which have 2. I really like the bag which has one, and it's very easy to hold. Basically, if you have the two string, that will very uncomfortable and not easy to carry them. As you want to in the carry in the hand also, it's very simple and everything. This is from Love. As you can see, this bag is also very spacious. I really like the color of this bag. As you can see, color is too good. It doesn't mean that it will go only with this color. It will go with a light color outfit, dark color, or any. Okay, and so spacious. As you can get so much space. The quality of the chains are very good. I really like the bag which I bought from Westside, and the Westside collection is also very good. See, very good. And if you thought that the sling is too long for you, you cannot carry this bag in your hand, you only have to carry this bag on your shoulder. No, it's not mandatory that. So you can also make a knot according to you, and you can adjust the size of this bag is if it will become like this also. And if you're not happy with the sling of it, if you only want to carry this bag in this way, like I have seen so many bags in Zara that they are very big in size and not that much handy, but you have to carry this bag in this way only. You can carry this bag as well. So it's very good. The leather is so soft and everything is so good in this bag. I really love this bag. Now we move forward to this bag. Nowadays I'm using this bag only. This bag is so cute. I ordered this bag from online, and this is the Only brand. Okay, the brand name is Only. It doesn't mean that only brand. Okay, and I really like these handles or to hold the bag. They are made of metal. You can see the handle is so good, and it's covered with a leather, and which make it more easy to you to hold this bag. And if you don't want to use this bag in this way, you can also use this bag in another way, that a string has also been given by them, and the string is also broad, not a thin sling which is given by them, broad. You can also use this bag in a sling manner. And if you want to remove these handles, you can also remove these handles. And I have seen, like I have shown you this bag. In this bag you can't remove this, so you cannot use this in a sling way, but you can remove these handles, or you can use this bag in a sling bag also. And the strip is so good. I have seen the sling is made of this printed, and the sling is also made of leather. And this bag is so comfortable to use, and the leather, the everything, the form, and the way when I use this bag and walk into the court premises, everyone was just looking into my bag. You know what, the bag, the way I thought the bag gives you more confidence to go, and it will put all these things. I thought this is the perfect size of a bag. I really don't like very big bags, tote bags and everything. I don't like them, because this is a perfect size. You cannot put the whole house into a bag if you're going out. You just put some necessary stuff. Okay, and this size is the perfect one. As you can see, you can put anything. As I am going to show you what I have put in my, I have put some almond and some cashew, some hair clips, hand sanitizer, face wipes, my Miniso perfume, my sunscreen, and everything is in the bag. It's so good. I really like the bag. Really, this is my current favorite bag. Now I'm going to show you my fourth bag. And this bag is from Mango. I bought this bag from JLF, as I really like the multi-purpose bag, as you can use this, matlab I can use bags in so many ways, as you will get tired of holding this bag in this way, so you can in the sling way, and whatever. Like if you're going out and you're doing something ethnic, you want to hold this bag like this. And if you're going out and have some chill at the same time, you want to eat and all, you want to have some sling bag. So always buy a bag which has multi-purpose usage. Okay, you get this bag. This chain is so heavy. As you can see, I really love the color combination of this bag, as you can get a sling, a thin sling, as you can also use this bag in a sling manner. So good, guys. The quality of the leather, as you can see, the quality of the leather is so good. And I really like the pattern, the portly look which is given by this bag. When I went out, I take this bag and the photos come amazing. I have done this anyway. It doesn't mean that you always have to carry the same bag in the same way. You can carry the bag in many ways, whatever you feel more comfortable and you feel more go-to-go look. I really like this bag, really. This is a bag which is less spacious accordingly, and as you can see, Mango, and there's no chain which is given inside it, no, but the bag is too good, but the chain is really so heavy. Now we come to the fifth bag, which is from Code. Again, you can use this bag in a clutch as you're going to attending a marriage, wherever you are going. And if you want to use this bag in a sling way, you can also use this bag. And the chain is so good, and it will go with every outfit of yours, whether Indian, Western, whatever it is. I really love this bag. You can see the material which has been used inside the bag is of velvet, so it's not going to harm you or anything. And as you can see, there's a little shimmer on it, but this is not the shimmer which is given, it's a fabric which has in shimmer. Okay, as you can see, I'm looking मतलब आप ये देखिए, अभी मेरे आउटफिट को इसने लुक दे दिया है. What I'm wearing right now, I'm t-shirt only. As you can see, it's too good. If you're going to attend a marriage, you are not going to carry everything. You just want to have a card, some cash in your mobile only, nothing more. Just a lipstick if you want to have, nothing. You can keep all these things inside this clutch only. And black go with everything, every color, every outfit, everything. I'm in love with the black color. Okay, now if you like the video, so please like, and if you're new to my channel, so please subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to mention which bag do you like more in the comments. Till then, stay home, stay happy, and stay blessed. Bye. Thank you guys for watching the video.